Hello folks, welcome once again to Bee's Balcony. I am Beenu. Today we shall see how to make compost from your kitchen waste in the balcony. Folks, summer months are the best for composting as the bacterial activity which leads to compost formation is fastest during this season. In winters also it happens, but it is little slower. It takes about 2 to 2.5 months for a bin of compost to form, but last month when I had started composting, it took me only little more than a month. So folks, let us now start the process. Now first step to composting is selection of bin. So for this I have taken a plastic bucket which was rejected. Even if it is cracked, see it is cracked from here, but it's okay. And I have just made small holes all around the bucket and even at the base. This will lead to aeration of the bucket. If you have such bucket, it's okay. Generally we have rejected buckets in the balcony, but you can also take a pot, a clay pot in which we plant pots. These are the kitchen wastes which you can see include vegetable peels, fruit peels, a few eggshells which I have almost crushed, little used tea leaves. Then I have waste plant materials also from the pots, them into small pieces because this hastens the process of composting. Now when you are taking kitchen waste, care has to be taken that there should be no oily thing. There should be no oil, no fat, no dairy product, because if you put dairy product, that is things made out of milk, then it smells. And even no animal wastes. It should only be the kitchen wastes. This comprises of our green material. Now, if you have to make compost, for ideal composting, there should be 1 part of this and 2 part of brown material. So our brown material consists of leaves which may be semi-decomposed like how these are, or undecomposed leaves and twigs. You can also have paper strips like this for brown material, and then the brown material also consists of this. This is when I had composted, this is part of the compost which has not been composted properly. So this also we will put in this lot of compost so that it completely gets composted. Now folks, we start layering these brown wastes and the green wastes in the composting bucket. So at the base, I prefer to add these semi-decomposed leaves in the first layer, like this. Over that, I put a few strips of newspaper. Then I add my green material on top of it. Care has to be taken that I don't stack. It has to be very lightly put so that there is lot of space for air circulation. So I put these material. Then I put the uncomposted compost from my previous batch. If you do not have this, you can also cover it with garden soil. The soil contains bacteria which start the composting process, so it is important to put. It even absorbs more water, extra water, so that our bin does not become smelly. So I have covered it with this again. mixture needs to be little moist. So therefore what I do is I've taken buttermilk, and buttermilk I have mixed water. So I sprinkle little buttermilk so that the whole material is moist. But I take care that I don't add too much of it. I just sprinkle a part of it. I'm now adding garden soil on the top because it contains those good bacteria which help in the composting process. And over that I again sprinkle little buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can mix little curd in water, very less, 2 tablespoons say, in some water, and sprinkle it. And if you don't have even curd, then you can take some jaggery, crush it and mix it in water, and that can be sprinkled. Now I just cover it with a newspaper like this so that it is not, the insects don't visit it, and I just put a heavy weight onto it. Then I have to keep it now in a place which is warm but is not exposed to direct sunlight, and it also does not catch rainwater. So folks, I have selected this corner of my balcony for composting. I put these tiles, and on that I put a tray which you keep under the pots, and then I place my bucket like this. So here it is warm, but it does not get exposed to direct sunlight. I have covered on top of it with a talc sheet. So this talc sheet is kind of its cover, which keeps it warm, but it protects it from the sun and also from the rainwater. So guys, this is the compost which I got ready in my balcony. This bucket, was full, and now it is one third or 1/4. So you can see it is almost everything has degraded and become compost. In my close vicinity, I just found these eucalyptus leaves which take little longer to decompose, so they have half decomposed. If you want, you can avoid these, though they degrade, but they take little longer to decompose. So you can take some other leaves which are softer, which will take less time. Now after a few days, I used to also just mix it so that proper aeration is there, and I used to put little buttermilk. It is ready to be used, but for that I have to dry it in the sun for some time, like this. And I'll have to also sieve it before I start using it for my pots. And then I sieved it and dried it in the sun, and so now this is the compost which is ready to be given to the plants. So this is how your compost will be. You can put it in the bags and keep it and save it for future.